Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to share with you how I decorate our living room after the holiday seasons. So to start off, I'm just going to be placing some of the throw cushions that I have with me. I'm going to change some of these really soon because I have some fabric and I want to DIY my own cushion covers. I think that would be an interesting DIY to do. But for now, I'm just going to be placing the ones that I have on hand and I'm going to make it work. Now I'm going to change gears and style the bookshelves that are on the side of my fireplace. I think I'm going to be replacing these bookshelves with open shelves on either side of the fireplace. Let me know in the comment section down below which one you think would be better, and I would really appreciate to know what you think about this idea. So here you're gonna see I'll be changing items back and forth just because as I'm placing some of the decor pieces that I have on hand, I go back and I stare at the bookshelves and I see if they need to be changed around, and that's why you're gonna see me move around some of the items multiple times till I get the desired look. To the second shelving unit, I'm just going to be placing some of the items that I've been collecting and curating over time. Some of these are antique finds, some of them I've been collecting from home decor stores. So if there's anything that you're interested, let me know in the comment section below and I'll try to source it out for you. To the fireplace mantle, I just wanted to keep it very simple because you can see there isn't much space between the TV and the fireplace mantle, so I'm just putting some vintage candlestick holders with some taper candles that are battery operated that I got from Amazon. And now moving to the coffee table, I'm just putting this vase that I DIY'd, and I'll be sharing that tutorial pretty soon on my channel, so make sure you click the bell icon so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Here I'm just placing some asparagus stems that I found from Hobby Lobby when I was visiting the US. I have our wedding album right there, as well as my favorite coffee table book. And now on this woven tray that I found while I was thrifting, I'm just going to place some items that we use on a daily basis. I always like to have a candle in the living room because it gives such a nice fragrance. I'm also leaving the TV remote, as well as some coasters if someone wants to have a drink and wants to put a coaster down. It's always practical, and I also have a candle sniffer right there in case we need to use that. So just keeping it very simple and practical yet very decorative, it's something I like to do. Here I'm just adding some additional seating around the coffee table so that it doesn't feel crowded but you still have room to sit around. Now there's this empty wall just behind the sofa, and I DIY'd this antique or vintage dresser. I used bleach and I took out the previous cane here, and I'm adding one of my all-time favorite art that I got from the Home Sense a while back. Again, placing a DIY lamp, as well as this project that I recently did in order to create my own olive jar. I'll be showing that video soon on my channel as well, so make sure you're subscribed to my channel if you're not, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss that video. I have several of these olive jars that I've thrifted and I DIY'd myself, and I'll be sharing 4 different styles with you on my channel soon. This is the end result. It's very neutral yet all collected and curated, and I'm really enjoying how it turned out. If you like this video, please don't forget to leave my video a thumbs up, and don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below. Even just a little emoji would really help my channel be recognized by the YouTube algorithm. If you're not part of my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell notification. I'm so happy you stayed till the end of this video. As a new YouTuber, this means a lot to me, and I appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you everyone for watching. Stay safe and have a great day. I'll see you around in my next video.